Yes, good afternoon. Sorry, good morning, everyone. So today we will go to the second unit, that is hydro power plant. So presentation on hydro power plant. So in this, the contents are introduction, hydro power plant in India, essential elements of hydro power plant, working, diagrammatical working of hydro power plant, advantages, disadvantages. Introduction. In hydropower plant, the water is utilized to move the turbines, which in turn run the electric generators. The potential energy of the water stored in the dam gets converted into kinetic energy of the moving water in the penstock, and this kinetic energy gets converted into the electric energy with the help of turbine and generator combination. Hydropower plant was invented by H.F. Rogers. Hydropower plant fulfills the 30% of total energy needs of the world. Total hydro potential of the world is equal to 5000 gigawatt. Hydropower plant in India. First hydropower plant was constructed at Mysore in 1902, named as Shivasamudram, having capacity 4.5 megawatt. Second hydropower plant was constructed at Maharashtra in 1914, named as Khopolo, having capacity 50 megawatt. Hydro potential of India in 1947 is equal to 500 megawatt. Essential elements of hydropower plant. Primary elements are catchment area, reservoir, dam, prime movers, draft tubes, powerhouse equipment, safety devices, spillways, surge tank, thrash track. So first is catchment area. The whole area behind the clam draining into stream as reach across which dam has been built at suitable place is called catchment area. Reservoir. A reservoir is employed to store water which is further utilized to generate power by running the hydroelectric turbines. Dam. A dam is a barrier which confines or raises water for storage or diversion to create a hydraulic head. Dams are generally made of concrete, stone, masonry, rock fill, or timber. Turbine generator combination. Turbine and generator is the most important part of any power plant. This combination is known as the heart of the power plant. Turbine. Turbine is a very light fan-like structure having many number of blades. It has an ability to rotate on its axis when water passes through it. Generator. Generator is a device in which when there is a rotation of coil between the strong magnetic field, then it produces an alternating current. So this is the diagram of turbine and generator in combination with both. Draft tube. Draft tube is an empty structure made beneath the turbine. It serves the following two purposes. It allows the turbine to be set above tailwater level without loss of head to facilitate inspection and maintenance. It regains by diffuser action the major portion of the kinetic energy delivered to it from to the runner. It increases the output power. It increases the efficiency of hydropower plant. Penstock. Penstock is the connecting pipe between dam and the turbine house. It helps to increase the kinetic energy of the water coming from dam. Penstock is made up of very strong material which can sustain the high pressure of water. Powerhouse and equipment. Some more components are required for the proper user friendly and smooth functioning of the power plant. These components are as follows. Follow. This is the instrument which is used to control the pressure of flow of water. Pumps. This device is used to send water or any fluid from lower potential to higher potential. Spillway. Spillways is a kind of canal provided besides the dam. Spillways is used to arrange the excess of accumulation of water on the dam because excess accumulation of water may damage the dam structure. Sludge tank. When there is a sudden close or decrease in pressure due to control valve, then there is a backflow of water. This creates high pressure zone in the penstock due to which it may burst. This effect is known as water hammering effect. To avoid this, a tank is attached to the penstock which stores water in it. This tank is called as surge tank. Working. Initially, the water of the river is in catchment area. From the catchment area, the water flows to the dam. At the dam, the water gets accumulated. Thus, the potential energy of the water increases due to the height of the dam. When the gates of the dam are opened, then the water moves with high kinetic energy into the penstock. Through the penstock, water goes to the turbine house. Since the penstock makes water to flow from high altitude to the low altitude, thus the kinetic energy of the water is again raised. Initially, the water of the river is in catchment area. From the catchment area, the water flows to the dam. At the dam, the water gets accumulated. Thus, the potential energy of the water increases due to the height of the dam. When the gates of the dam are opened, then water moves with high kinetic energy into the penstock. Through the penstock, water goes to the turbine house. Since the penstock makes water to flow from high altitude to low altitude, the kinetic energy of the water is again raised. Advantages: no fuel charges, less supervising staff is required, maintenance and operation charges are very low, running cost of the plant is low, the plant efficiency does not change with age, it takes few minutes to run and synchronize the plant, no fuel transportation is required, no ash and flue gas problem and does not pollute the atmosphere. These plants are used for flood control and irrigation purpose. Long life in comparison with the thermal and nuclear power plant. Disadvantages: the initial cost of the power plant is very high, takes long time for construction of the dam. Generally, such plants are located in hilly areas far away from load center and thus they require long transmission lines and losses in them will be more. Power generation by hydropower plant is only dependent on natural phenomenon of rain. Therefore, at the time of drought or summer session, the hydropower plant will not work.